nice now. So I'm gonna put my oil in. I'm using avocado oil, which I love to use that. It's really good. Guys, and see, I'm using one of the South American Caribbean pan. It's very heavy. It's like iron. And I just love the way how it is cooked the food different to the regular modern day pot that we have here. You know, this is cook the food real nice. I love to cook in here. So I'm using this here. Are you guys gonna see? Let me see if it's out. The oil is hot. Just a little bit more. That'd be good. So guys, you could try at home too. And this is what I'm using, my ingredients. This is my bell pepper, as you could see here. I have my celery, carrots. I have green giant sweet peas. So now we're gonna put our celery in. And with this here, you put how much you want. And this is gonna be a vegetable fried rice. Put my carrots. Put my bell pepper. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. And guys, I'm leaving this for last because this is soft, as you guys could see. It's soft. And you put it in now, it's going to mash. So you're going to wait for last to put this in. Black pepper. Garlic powder, parsley flake, I put some more oil in here. Put some more oil in here, guys. Oh, this smells good. I'll put in some of the chicken flavor. So I'm going to put in my rice now. More rice in now. You mix this in here. Guys, this is very, very easy to cook, man. It's not hard. You guys could do it. If you never cooked fried rice before, you could do this here. If you keep watching the video, man, do it step by step. Guys, please don't forget, man, as you watch this video, man, your support is needed. It helps me. We'll get to keep making video. If you're new, please subscribe. Guys, turn on your notification for all new videos. Guys, thumbs up, man, if you like it, man. And please comment. Thank you so much for your support, for all those who've been supporting me. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Big thank you. So you can put a little soy sauce in here. This here, guys. Less sodium in this one here. That's why we use it. You know what I mean? It's finished. Okay. Guys, look at this. Eh? This looks so good, man. With this here, vegetarian, you're good to go, man. If you eat meat, well, then you guys gonna see the chicken when that's done. And don't forget, and now we're gonna put in the green giant. As you guys said, the reason why, because it is soft, you don't want it to mash. Guys, this is pure fried rice here. This is it right here, man. Tell me what you guys think, okay? As you watch this video, man, let me know if you guys like pure fried rice, if you would try it my way, or let me know if you can do it your way, and send me a comment, man. All right? Again, thanks for cooking with Pew in Pew Kitchen. Guys, remember, stay positive, stay excited, guys, and stay well, and take care of your family. And I'll see you again in Pew Kitchen. You have a great one. Peace out.